PS3 Duluth WeatherMax forecast with meteorologist Dave Anderson.
After our mini cold snap, now it looks like a mini warm spell is coming our way, and the process began today with some towns crossing the threshold, daring to go to 30 degrees above zero, like here in the Twin Ports at the head of the lakes. 32 in Superior, 30 for Moose Lake, 30 for Solon Springs, and the other towns pretty close in the upper 20s. We could be tickling 40 over the weekend, and that, in turn, could bring us a little bit of trouble, especially Saturday night through portions of Sunday with a rain and snow mix that could slick up the roads. We'll talk about the odds in just a bit. Right now, we talk about what's happening at the airport. It's 31 degrees there, so I have a feeling the almanac will have to be updated by 10 o'clock. We went to 11, as they say in that Spinal Tap movie. Westerly winds going 17 miles per hour right now, and the air pressure trying to creep up right now at 30.09. Again, we've got low pressure leaving as a high pressure comes aboard, so it'll be a mixed bag between cloud and clear sky as we go on through the night. Current temperatures, 28 Watersmeet, 30 Ironwood and Ashland, close to 30 for Hayward, 31 in Superior and towards Hermantown now, 27 International Falls and Ely as well. Getting towards 30 for Moose Lake, Barnum, and Willow River. A sign, of warmer air coming our way for a couple of days, several actually. By this time next week, maybe we'll start to dip down again, but from now until then, at least normal, if not a little bit warmer than normal. Right now, Doppler Outlook says one of those low pressure systems is still to our north. At the same time, the higher pressure is trying to come in, so the result should be some clouds tonight, maybe a couple of snow showers, but they will give up the ghost probably fairly early tomorrow morning as the higher pressure systems flanking our region take over. But they won't take over for long. Friday may be sunny, but by Saturday it gets cloudy again, and 30 to 50% chances now for rain-snow mixes come, like I mentioned, Saturday night, and then maybe sticking around for several days afterwards. We'll show you those days now with the forecast tonight in Minnesota. Low temps could get as cool as 11 near the border and be as warm as 16, 17 closer to the lake. Slowly clearing sky. Wisconsin, Michigan, range of low temps there about 18 to 20. For tomorrow in Wisconsin and Michigan, the high pressure takes over, clear to partly cloudy sky. High temps running, we'll say 26 to 30 degrees. And into Minnesota, inland, anywhere from 21 to 30. And right by the lake, maybe low 30s, again with that partly cloudy sky. For the rest of the week, well, the clouds fill back in as that new low pressure system comes to call. It's really just a 20% chance for the mix on Saturday with a high of 38. Sunday, though, at least a 50% chance for the mix, high temp 36. Easing into Monday, the clouds still linger. Precip chances of 30% shot for the mix. That's the day we could get closest to 40. I'm thinking 39 here at the head of the lakes, and of course, give or take a degree or two, we could cross 40. Then 36 on Tuesday with a 40% chance for a mix again. And then the warm spell starts to slip away for Wednesday, Thursday. Temperatures tumble just a little bit, but precip chances linger. They'll just change form. They'll become chances for flurries. Right now, as far as accumulations go for anything, doesn't look like much. But again, Kristen, as we found out last Friday, it doesn't take much to make the road slippery. So we need to be careful for 6 of the next 7 days.